Thank you for stopping by and welcome to the channel. Today's video will be our return visit to the Sheraton Hotel and getting a spectacular view of Niagara Falls, which we didn't get when first visiting this hotel. It is the Oaks Garden Theater, which sits right in front of the Sheraton Hotel. And I just want to say, in no way am I affiliated with the Sheraton or Marriott hotels, and this is solely based on my opinion. So we got room 1760 on the high floor, and this is the premium deluxe view of the falls. So I'd say the last room you could get is this one at the end, 1757. So that's the very last room. Anything past that, you won't get a good view. I don't think you'll have a view at all. Renovating down here. Service elevator. Yeah, 1757 to 1772. So the closer you are to 72, the closer you are to the falls. But still a good view. It's better than the room that we had last time. The view. So basically it's a setup, same setup. Last time you get the mirror. 2 queen beds. A sofa chair. Another chair, fireplace. Then you get the
Put
desk.
a video link in the description below of our other room.
The fridge. And then you can put your clothes in these drawers here. And this is our washroom. And it looks bigger than the other one we had before. And you get a bathtub. The other one we had a shower. Basically it's a standard washroom.
You're paying the high price for the view.
Okay, let's see the view. So the window's dirty. I like this view better. You can see both falls perfectly.
And this is what you call a Juliet balcony. Basically it's just a door.
The last few rooms. US casinos there. There's the bridge to cross the US. American Falls, Bridal Falls, and the Horseshoe Falls down there. We were just around the corner the last time on floor number 12. We're on floor number 17.
Here my wife and son are walking into the Oaks Garden and they're just about to enter the archway. So what they're gonna do is videotape me looking out of the doorway to give you a rough idea where the room is. So they're just almost at the other side of the garden, at the edge of the grass, and they're gonna videotape me. So I'm the guy standing with the blue shorts, 4th door from the right, and 5th floor below the penthouse. Here I am enjoying the view of the falls. My wife and I can sit there all day and look out the window and just stare at the falls. The kids, on the other hand, spent more time watching TV than looking out the window.
So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, share, leave a comment, and hope to see you at our next video.
We're the fourth from the end.